Here's how to install your no-drill motorised roller blind.
Before you start, make sure that you have all the supplied blind parts, including the roller blind with the motor inside and the tightening tool. The motor is removable, so during installation be sure to support it securely, as it may slide out if not held in place. Raise the plunger end, also known as the spring end, into the window recess. Next, lift the control end of the blind until it is level. Then gently release pressure whilst keeping hold of the blind. Make sure the blind, when it operates, will be in front of any obstructions. Before tightening the blind in place, use a spirit level to check that it is perfectly level. Hold the blind securely and use the supplied tightening tool to turn the tightening wheel.
If the tightening wheel is on the left side of the blind, turn it away from you. If the tightening wheel is on the right side of the blind, turn it towards you.
Tightening until the blind is firmly secured in the recess. Once installed, the motor will need to be woken up from sleep mode. To do this, use a pin tool to press the programming button once for 1 second, and the blind will jog once. This means the blind is ready for pairing and operation. And there you have it, your no-drill motorised roller blind installed and working perfectly.
To charge your motorised blind, you do not need to remove your blind from the recess. You need to locate the charging port on the motor positioned at the control end of the blind. Using the charging cable, gently plug the connector into the charging port, then connect the plug to a suitable power source.
While charging, the indicator light on the charger will illuminate red to show the power is connected. Once fully charged, the light will turn green.
Please note the charger must be inserted carefully and in the correct position. The 3 prongs inside the motor need to align properly with the charger. If they are not lined up before inserting, the prongs can bend and cause damage.
A full charge typically provides 3 to 6 months of normal operation, depending on usage. You can also purchase small 20cm extension cables which you can keep in the motor port for easy access. Your blind has been preset with the upper and lower limits you have provided in your order. Once the motor has been woken up, you can operate the blind immediately using your handset. If the motor is not working as intended, please see the instruction manual. Please note, if you have multiple blinds on your order, each motor will need to be woken up and paired to its chosen channel on the handset. Make sure to do this 1 blind at a time. For step-by-step guidance, please refer to the pairing the remote section in the instruction manual.